What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the white iPhone SE 2020 edition. Stay tuned. Hope everyone is having a good day. Just picked up the iPhone SE 2020 edition. I know I'm a little bit late, but I really wanted to cover this phone just because it's in the price range of budget devices, and that's what I usually talk about on this channel. But this phone is $399. It is very inexpensive. We have some great specifications in here that we're going to be talking about, but the first thing is that this device is only going to be $99 when you switch to Metro by T-Mobile, and I'll probably talk about that in a separate video, but I'm really excited about that. And I think a lot of people are going to like the Apple ecosystem since we have a cheaper example here, because in the past we've seen devices that are up to almost $1,300 and the average person just doesn't want to spend that much money. So it's great that Apple came out with this device. All right, everyone, so let's go ahead and unbox this. Obviously on the top we have these little pamphlets and stuff, little instruction guide, and we also have the Apple stickers as well. Those come in here. Next we have the actual device, and we're going to go ahead and put that to the side. That is in the white. It looks really good, honestly. I'm glad I got this color because a lot of other people want the red, and I think the white looks a bit better, to be quite honest. Next thing we have in here is obviously earbuds from Apple, and these always are really good quality. I really do like these. Put those to the side. We have our standard wall adapter, and we have our lightning adapter data cable right there. So that is all we have in the box. All right, everyone, so starting off with this device, what is this device? Why did Apple even make this device? So these are the iPhone 8 bodies. So these are basically repurposed into the iPhone SE. As you guys see on the back, they did put a new glass back on here where the Apple logo is in the middle, and it's kind of like a mirror, which I think is really cool. At the top, we have the 12 megapixel shooter, and this looks very close to the iPhone XR. It's basically the little brother of the iPhone XR, obviously noise canceling mic, and we also have the flash on the back. So right side of the device, nothing new. We have our power button. Right here we have our SIM tray right there. Left side of the device we have our little noise canceller right there, and we also have our volume up and down rocker. Bottom of the phone we have our lightning port, and we also have speakers at the bottom of the device. Front of the phone we have a 7 megapixel shooter, and we also have a headset right there. Now with that headset, this does double as stereo speakers, so for a device that is this cheap, the speaker quality is going to be very good. You guys are going to enjoy this. This gets very loud, so for the people going Android to Apple, you guys are going to have very good speaker quality. Now obviously we have the phone right here. We have our fingerprint sensor at the bottom right there, or Touch ID. Now this works really well. Now honestly, like Touch ID better than Face ID. The reason being, I think the first reason is pretty obvious. Everyone's wearing a mask, and if you have to go to a store, you can't really take off that mask. So that's one annoying thing that I've noticed. This one, quicker access, pull it out of your pocket. You can feel the indent right here. Click on it, opens up the phone, and I love the haptic feedback of this. I miss this haptic feedback that we saw in the iPhone 8 and below, but I really do miss that. Now obviously we have the A13 Bionic chip in this device. Now this is going to be a very decent processor, so the speed and processing power is going to feel very nice inside of this device. We also have iOS 13, so we have an up-to-date Apple device. This device should be able to last you for a while. Just saying that we do have iOS 13 on here. We have a very good processor, and we're going to have some very good performance on this device as well. Now as far as the cameras go, taking a look at the front facing camera right here, we're going to look at it for a second, but we actually do have portrait mode on the front facing camera since we do have iOS 13, so we can use portrait mode for our front facing camera. So that's something that has definitely changed that I really do like. Now obviously I'm going to do my full review on this device later on, but just to sum up this unboxing, we have a really good device here for only $399. You know, we get amazing cameras. The rear facing camera is actually capable up to 4K 60 frames per second, which is really good. We have iOS 13, so we have the latest software on this device. We have the A13 Bionic chip, which is a very good chip in this tiny phone. You get a lot of processing power. You're not going to have problems playing video games, streaming movies, texting, and having a ton of different windows open. You're going to be fine in that. And this is also going to cater to the people that love Touch ID. I'm really a Touch ID guy, so I really like that that's back here. We have really nice speakers, and that's all inside of this beautiful phone with a premium design of aluminum and glass. So I think this is a really good deal, and if you guys want to go ahead and snatch this up for $99, Metro by T-Mobile is having that deal, so I'm excited about that as well. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos on the iPhone SE, definitely put it in the comments down below. Also, go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Go ahead and hit that notification bell as well to stay notified every time I do upload a new video. Yeah, this has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.